Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be doing the EFT tapping for success. So let's do the EFT tapping for success. Take your left hand like this and repeat after me. Even though sometimes I feel that I am not getting success, in spite of that, I still love and accept myself exactly as I am. Even though sometimes I think like that I am not worthy of success. In spite of that, I still love and accept myself exactly as I am. Sometimes people around me criticize me, including me also, that success is not my cup of tea. In spite of that, I still love and accept myself exactly as I am. Take a deep breath. Take two fingers like this and tap at the center of at the beginning of your eyebrows. I release all that success fear right now. I release all that blocks because of which I am not able to get success in my life. I let go. I let go all the resistance towards the success right now. I release all that conditions because of which I am not able to attract the success towards me. I let go all that old limitations and the beliefs because of which I am not able to attract the success in my life and in my business. I let go all that success blocks from my life right now. I let go all that people because of which I am not able to attract the success in my life right now. I release all the resistance towards the success right now. I let go all the laziness, procrastinations, taking the actions because of which success can come in my life. So I release all that procrastination right now. I let go all the resistance right now. I release all the resistance towards the success right now. I let go. I let God. I let go all the resistance. I release all the resistance right now. Take a deep breath. Let's do the second round where we'll be practicing the positive affirmations to reprogram our subconscious mind. This practice can be done till the point you feel that, yes, I am at peace and I am able to attract all that positivity and the success towards my life, towards me and in my life. So let's do. I'm always successful. Success is my birthright. I attract all that new opportunities and new resources because of which success comes to me happily and easily. I am an abundant child of an abundant universe. I am always successful in all that things which I take up. I get all the things easily and effortlessly. Everything is working out for me. I am always more than enough. I love and approve of myself. I accept myself exactly as I am. I deserve the best and I accept it now. Success is my birthright. I am amazingly successful in my career. I am amazingly successful in my business, in my relationship, in my health, and I'm financially free. Take a deep breath. So, this is the EFT tapping for success. If you want to know more about my upcoming healing sessions of the Ho'oponopono, advanced Ho'oponopono, and the free healing sessions, also, if you want to know about more things about the law of attraction, the WhatsApp link is provided below. And if you felt any shift after doing this EFT practice, please share this video with your friends. And if you feel that, yes, I need more practice, practice this for next 21 days and see that the success will come to you automatically, and you will have everything, you will achieve everything in life what you want or what you desire. So till that time, for the next video, see you. Let's tune for the next video. Let's get connected for the next video. Till that time, love you all. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you.